Mastering the art of throwing a frisbee. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fun and interactive topic that's not only a great outdoor activity but also an interesting phrase in the English language. Throwing a frisbee. Whether you're a language learner looking to understand this phrase or someone interested in picking up a new skill, this video is for you. So, let's dive into the world of frisbees and learn how to throw one properly while enhancing our English vocabulary. The phrase, throwing a frisbee, refers to the action of tossing a frisbee, which is a type of flying disc, with the intention of making it glide smoothly through the air. A frisbee is a circular, plastic disc, often used in recreational activities and sports. The key components of this phrase are throwing, which means to send something through the air with a motion of the arm and wrist, and frisbee, the object being thrown. Together, they describe a popular outdoor activity enjoyed by people of all ages around the world. Frisbee throwing has a rich history, dating back to the late 19th century. However, it gained significant popularity in the 20th century as a sport and a leisure activity. Today, frisbee throwing encompasses various games and sports, such as ultimate frisbee and disc golf. Understanding this context not only enriches your English vocabulary but also gives you insight into a cultural phenomenon that transcends language barriers. Throwing a frisbee may seem simple, but it requires a bit of technique to get the frisbee to fly correctly. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Grip the frisbee. Place your thumb on top of the disc and your index finger along the edge, with the rest of your fingers underneath for support. 2. Stance and posture. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, facing the direction you intend to throw. 3. The wind-up. Bring the frisbee to your throwing side, keeping your elbows straight. 4. The throw. Swing your arm forward in a smooth motion, releasing the frisbee at chest or shoulder height. The key is to snap your wrist as you release, giving the frisbee spin and stability. 5. Follow through. Continue the motion of your arm and body even after releasing the frisbee, pointing towards your target to ensure accuracy. To enhance your frisbee throwing skills, remember these tips. Practice the wrist snap for better spin and control. Adjust the angle of release based on the wind direction and your intended flight path. Watch tutorials and observe others to improve your technique. We hope you found this video both educational and entertaining. Throwing a frisbee is not just a physical activity. It's a fun way to learn about motion, aerodynamics, and even cultural history, all while expanding your English vocabulary. Whether you're practicing your English or your frisbee throwing skills, remember that practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.